Welcome back, guys. This is Mr. David. Last time we were talking about factoring versus solving. Today we're going to be talking more about the zero product. What is the zero product? Imagine, for instance, I say we have two students in the class. One of them got 100%. Okay? The second one, we don't know. One of them got 100%. But here's what we know for sure. When we take the grade of the two students and we multiply, the answer gives us a 0. Okay? We have two students. One of them got 100. When we take the grade, the score of the two students and we multiply, we get a 0. So now everybody will be like, whoa, 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 what's going on? Why is the product of the two score being 0? Well, that is because we all know one of them must have gotten 0. So who got a 0? That becomes the biggest question. Okay? If one got 100 and the product of the two score is 0, obviously somebody got a 0. And if somebody got a 0, we got a problem. We got an issue. What do we need to do? We need to solve that problem. We need to solve that issue. What can we do to solve, to help that person not to get a 0 again? Okay? You got it? So it looks like this. I'm going to take student A. Let's say Eric. Eric got a score. Whatever score Eric get, I take that and I multiply by the score of, I don't know, Erica. And we notice the score is 0. Okay? From the last lesson, we know that if we have equal, we need to solve. We have equal, it means we gotta solve. Okay? We gotta solve because there's a problem. There's a problem. Okay? We need to solve. So a 0 product. Product means to multiply. So we multiply the 2, right? You see the multiplication sign there. Multiply. We multiply the 2 and we get a 0. 0 product. Product means to multiply. Right? So we multiply two things and we get 0. Okay, so how do we solve this? We're going to say, if the product of these two score is 0, what that means is maybe Eric score is 0, which is really bad, or it's really important, guys, or not and, or Erica is the one who got 0. Or, not and. It's one of them, not both. Okay, so it's really important. It's not 0 times 0. No, it's 100 times 0 or 0 times 100. Okay, that's what gives us a 0. That's what the 0 product means. Okay, one of them got 100. We don't know which one. And one of them got a 0, and we don't know which one. So, what this means is, if Eric got a 0, then Erica got 100. If Eric got a 0, then Erica got 100. It gives us a 0. Or, Erica is the one who got a 0. So, Eric got 100. Also give us a 0. That's the rule of the 0 product property. That's how it works. One of them got a 0, we don't know which one. Okay, now we take whoever got a 0 and we try to solve it. Okay, so let's have an example. Let's say we want to solve 3x squared. 3x squared. Here's this example. 3x squared. 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 3 3x squared no, I'm going to change that example. I don't like that one. Let's start with something much easier. Okay, let's say x squared. X squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay, so x squared plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, we have to have equal. If there's no equal, there's no problem. So x squared plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Well, do we have a product? No, we have a trinomial here. The first thing we want to see is if we can factor. Okay, so let's see if we can factor this first. So x squared, 3x, negative 10. There's no GCF. Let's try the diamond. Let's try the x method. 1 times negative 10 is negative 10. The 3 comes here. Okay, let's find our two magical numbers. We multiply, we get negative 10. We add or subtract, we get 3. Well, what time what gave us 10? I could think of 5 and 2 already. 5 and 2. Okay? One of them is negative. When we add or subtract, we get 3. So 5 minus 2 give us 3. 5 times negative 2. So this one worked. Okay? 5 and negative 2. So we factor this side first. Right? If you gotta remember, a is 1. But when we divide by 1, it's so irrelevant. Okay? It makes no difference. So I'm going to rewrite my stuff because I factor it. X plus 5, x minus 2. Realize it's just the left side. Equal. See, I'm going to bring my equal down to 0. Am I done? No. All I did was factor the left side so that it could give me 0. Now we want to solve. So this is Eric. This is Erica. So we want to see if Eric gets 0, what happens? So that means we're going to have this one here. I'm going to, since I don't have space there, I'm going to write this. Eric, which is x plus 5, is 0. If Eric is 0, so that's x plus 5. Right? So that means x is, you guys already know how to solve this. Move the 5 to the other side, it becomes negative 5. Is it and? No, it's or. Or Erica, which is the second one, x minus 2, is the one who got 0. So let's solve for x. We move the negative 2 to the other side, so x is positive 2. Okay, so what is our answer? Our answer is x equal to negative 5 or x equal to 2. That will be our answer. So you could write your answer like this, or you could write it like this. Negative 5, comma 2. Okay. You could also write your answer in x and y intercept. Right? So x-intercept, negative 5, comma 0, and 2, comma 0. You could write like this, or leave it like that. But just make sure you put all. Okay? So this will be the solution to our problem. So guys, 0 product. Very simple. You take a multiplication of two things, the product of two things, equal to 0. It could be 3, it could be 4 things. But here we keep it simple. Only 2. Okay? We pick only 2 people. Okay? Once we get a good understanding of how it works with 2 people, then 3, 4 people, it doesn't matter. Okay? So we're going to just pick 2 people. Okay? So that's why we have 2. This 2 here means only 2. Okay? So x squared plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. We factor this. We factor it first. Then, instead of plus plus or minus minus, then it's become a multiplication, a product equal to 0. We solve one at a time. We take this one to be 0. Or this one to be 0. And we solve. Whatever answer we get for both, we write it. But it's really important that we emphasize on the or. It's not both of them. Okay? Because we're not doing 0 times 0. We're doing 100 times 0. Okay? 100 times 0 or 0 times 100. Not 0 times 0. Okay? We'll teach you that in calculus. Right now, we're not ready for that. Okay? It's 0 times a number. Okay? So basically, guys, this is all there is to know about zero product. Taking 2 and multiplying them and getting a 0. There's a problem. Let's see why that is a 0. Okay, what make it a 0? What make it a 0 is the value of each one, okay, that we get. Okay, whatever value we get for each one. And remember, it's not both. Okay, it's one or the other. It's zero product. Who did not do well? Who got a 0? We need to identify that person so we could help, so we don't get a 0 again. That's basically what it is. Very simple. All right, guys. We'll see you again next week for another episode. Thank you for following, and you know the rule, you know the drill. If it's too fast, just rewind, watch it again slowly. Okay? 2-3 times, you'll get it. So easy. Zero product. All right. Take care, guys. See you.